It's almost like peeling a sticker off. It's a permanent sticker. Hey, welcome back guys to the blog. Today we're doing another truck. In the US, this is one of the top 3 pickup trucks. This is a Dodge Ram 2500. We're gonna do full front paint protection film. We're gonna do the hood, fenders, all of this area here around the grill, the headlights, and the bumper. So we already got some of the scoops here where it says 2500. I already pulled them out. It was pretty easy to remove, just had a couple of clips. We already cleaned, we washed it outside, we prepped it, clayed it, and did like a little light polish. And now it's ready to install our paint protection film. For the hood, we're gonna do a bulk install, and then the rest of the pieces, I already got them cut out with XPEL DAP software. So we're gonna do paint protection film on the front, and then on the rest of the vehicle, it's gonna get buffed, polished, and we're gonna do ceramic coating on the rest of the truck along with the paint protection film pieces. So we have a lot of work to do. It's Monday, let's get to it. So I'm just setting in the template of the fender so I could unpeel it and peel it onto the, install it. There's a couple of things we did additionally. Again, going for the seamless look as much as possible. There was a C here that says Cummins, we removed that. I extended some of the edges on areas like here, up here, by the door, and a little bit towards like where the headlight meets, so I could get it as close to the edge as possible. On the pattern, I removed the cutout of the C Cummins, and then we took off the actual emblem. When we're done, obviously we're gonna put it back on with a strong double-sided tape. So right now I'm just gonna clean the panel one last time before I bring the film over. Right now I'm just trying to feel the panel, make sure I don't feel nothing gritty, nothing sticking out. It's pretty smooth because the guys already clayed it, did a little light polish. Now it's ready for install. And you see the original pattern would have brought it just up to like right here. I extended it even more so I could tuck even more inside there. All right guys, so the passenger side fender is done. Now we're gonna do the driver side fender. And for this one, we're just gonna place the camera on different angles and kind of do it on a quick time lapse so you guys can enjoy the installation of a 2019 Dodge Ram full fender. All right, so today's day 2 and possibly the last day that we'll be working on the truck because we're about to be done. So yesterday we focused on everything that's on the front end. We did the full hood, did the fenders. I already did these little small pieces right here, and then I'm gonna cover the headlight right now. And then after that, I'm gonna jump onto the grill. And then the last thing I'll do is the bumper. So while I'm working on all of this, the guys had already started the paint correction process because, as you guys know, black paint does show all the imperfections. So in order for us to apply the coating, we gotta do the paint correction, and that's what the guys did. Now I'm just gonna line this up here. All right. All right, so I'm not gonna bore you with this headlight. The other one's already done too. Next up is the grill, the top piece, and then the bottom piece, and then finish it up with the bumper. So let me get this down, and then I'll bring back the camera when we're installing those pieces. Another area that we'll be doing is gonna be the fender flares, because obviously this truck has the painted fender flares, so we are gonna wrap them like that. They are protected along with the fender that I had already wrapped. Let's get it cleaned up, lubed up, and ready to go. All right, so 2019 Dodge 2500. We did full front paint protection film. So the whole hood, fender flares, the bumper, headlights, it's all protected and ready to go. Ivan is a very good customer of mine. He's been with me for a while, so I threw in the little door cups and we did the ceramic coating on the rest of the vehicle. Also ceramic tints to match the back, and we did ceramic tints on the front windshield too. So if you guys are in the market, you guys just bought a brand new truck and you want to protect it, this is the best way to go. Full front paint protection film, especially if it's a work truck and it's going to work just as hard as you definitely want to protect it. So I'll say that the team and I really did a good job on protecting this paint. And if you guys have any pickup trucks, F-150s, Ford, Chevy, Dodge, you name it, we'll be here to protect it. So make sure to hit us up and let us know.